Hi and welcome back to the channel. We are still in Austria. We cannot go outside of the country for the next month. Today is May the 4th. May the 4th be with you. And we are on Grüner See.
Yes, this is in Styria. It's about 1.5 hours from Graz.
Parking is €4 for the entire day. If you don't have change, you can exchange money at tourism office. And now let's walk to the lake. We made it now to the lake. We're gonna have a small picnic, maybe fly the drone, and then just walk around. Now we see why they call it the Grüner See, so the green lake. It is really green. The main source of the water for the lake is the snow, and then it melts from the mountains, and the water level really varies. This year there wasn't really that much snow, so the level is not that high, and then it recedes until the autumn, and during the winter time it's supposed to be completely without water. Now let's move on. That is it from Grüner See, Green Lake. We saw why the name, because it's really green. There are a lot of hiking, walking trails here.
It's not steep. Oh, hello.
They wanted to be in the video. It's it's also for families because it's not steep. You don't really need like special equipment or anything.
But maybe don't come with a pram.
Yeah, because nothing is paved. Everything is gravel. We're not sure if you can swim here. We're gonna check and put the text in. Anyway, thank you for watching the video. Oh, we forgot. Everything is still closed. There are a lot of like restaurants and stuff around at the parking lot.
At the parking lot, not around the lake. Around the lake, there's nothing except this one. But you can bring your own food and drinks and have a picnic.
Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, let us know. See ya.